The important thing for us to understand what is the role of water. The role of water is to hydrate. Hydrate what? Hydrate the body, hydrate the plant, but ultimately hydrate the cell. Right? Now, what is the meaning of it? We use the word hydration very loosely. Right? I'm going to now go back and talk about the what is hydration? This is what is important to understand. Who has the wisdom? Do I have the wisdom? Does the plant have the wisdom? Or does the cell inside it have the wisdom? If you go back to creation, it all started from a single cell. And cell communicates on the basis of water. Right? Now, we all use the word hydration loosely and we are taking plastic bottles. This is lucky. Now, what happened was, I'm now going to talk about the Czech University of Life Sciences in Prague. Okay? So they did a study. This is the synopsis. In the study, the Czech University, it was the Czech University of Life Sciences which is affiliated the FAO in the United Nations. In fact, I was there, my head of research, Dr. Abhishek and Dr. Krishna. All of us were there in Prague. The professor, his eyes were wide. He said, I've not seen anything like this. Water, then he passed the water through Jiva. And this is very important, gentlemen and ladies, this. The water passed through Jiva. Does anybody know here, in one drop of water, how many molecules of H2 are there? Any guess? In one drop. 10 to the power of 26. It's unimaginable. Okay? Now I'll come to measurements. They measured the distance between two molecules of water at nanoscale using near infrared spectroscopy. And he said the molecules have come closer at nanoscale with passing through Jiva. Now, I asked him, so what? They came closer. Then he goes on to say there is something called hydrogen, intermolecular hydrogen bonds, right? This bonding, right? I asked him saying, so what if they are strong? He said, this is what causes hydration, right? The meaning of hydration, he said, when the bonds are stronger, they penetrate the cells better, and hydration is equal to cellular wetness. And when the cells are wet, then ability, because cell is the wisdom, a cell that can create you and a fruit and an animal, that has got all the wisdom to replicate and produce the organ. We think we are intelligent, but the cells are the wisdom. So those cells, he said, only when the bridges are strong, they hydrate, which is equal to wetness of the cell. When the cells are wet, naturally the toxins inside the cell get thrown out, and the cell is able to perform at its optimal efficiency. Hence you are seeing the